Hi, in the previous video we learned how to remove elements from a list. In this video we'll be talking about one more method that we can use to remove and at the same time return an element from a list, the pop method. We use the pop method with index I to return the ith element and also remove it. So let's have a list first. For example, something like this, names. This is a list of strings. And now let's use the pop method like so. Names pop with index -2, which means remove and return the last but one element. And this is what we get, Bernard. This is the last but one element. And now if we print names out, Bernard is no longer there. So this function returns and removes at the same time. An out-of-range error is raised if the index is out of range. So let's try to do something like this. Names pop with index 8. Now we get an error. Pop index out of range. If we use the pop method without any argument, the last element is returned and removed. So have a look. Last person equals names pop, which means the last element in the names list, Alice, is removed and assigned to this variable. And now if we print last person out, we get Alice. And here's our names list at this stage. Alice is no longer there. It's easy to use a list as a stack. A stack is a special LIFO data structure. LIFO stands for last in, first out, because it's how stacks work. Imagine a stack of plates. If you add a new plate, you put it on top. If you need to take a plate from the stack, you take the one on top. That's how stacks work. In computer science, we distinguish two methods used with stacks: push, to add an element to the end or top of the stack, and pop, to remove the last element. In Python, we can use two methods: append, which is the equivalent of push, and pop, to simulate this behavior. The append method adds an element to the end of the list. The pop method pops the last element. Here's an example. Numbers equals 4, 2, 6, 7. So here we have a list. Now, numbers append 20. Numbers. So here we're using the append method to push an element on the stack. And this list represents a stack. Now, we can use the pop method to pop the last element. So, numbers pop. And this is what we get, the last element. And here's our numbers list now. So it's without this last element, which was returned and removed before. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.